Finally, it's out. The brand new action camera from DJI, the Osmo Action, is on the market, having been announced today. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and finally the Osmo Action is public, and I don't have to be quiet and discreet about it, I can shout about it now. Well, we've got one of the first of these units, and we've had it since March, and so we've had loads of opportunity to film and test with it. If you want to see our unboxing review or our full feature test in 4K, you can click the links in the video description to watch them now. Alternatively, just press on one of the end screen icons now on either the left or the right. Be sure to comment with your thoughts, give this video a thumbs up, and of course click that subscribe button for lots more videos just like this. Enjoy the reviews.